And I who busybody like me. I who used to travel up and down like me. I who used to the all boat like me. Me sit down right so cause me no one dead. And me no want gun away and go catch nothing car come give my pin them because me not ask Christ. Me not carry the virus come give my pin them and stand up over them and watch them a batter and can't breathe and them a tell me say them lungs gone. It no matter how much money me have because no found no love talk about. Me have money so me can talk. Just like how me talk what day and say. The border Jamaica's closed and me alright because me there Atlanta. I'm alright. Me just want to know say the people in Jamaica stay safe.
Spice is concerned about her fellow Jamaican citizens not adhering to the rule of the COVID-19. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Now Spice made 2 video people, not 1 but 2. She made a video and she went live as a matter of fact. So Spice really concerned because Spice is in Atlanta right now and she says she has to walk on in Jamaica over Instagram and via the news, you know, Star and Glean and Tropics and all these other sites where she has to walk on in Jamaica, and she has said she not pleased with what she say because people are pack up in a supermarket and them thing the same way and people not take it serious and them not listen to the government and them keep party on rooftop and all these things. Me know we see these things too, right? Because me see them video here with Spice at talk about. But people, you know, Spice had a lot to say. I try to cut down the video to make it, you know what I mean, quick as possible. Give you a quick synopsis of what she said. Now I have a link that I could provide to the full live if you want to watch that or the other video. Basically, 2 of them are mirror each other, so they must say the same thing. So you can just watch one or the other. You see what I say? But let's take a listen to what Spice have to say.
You mean for tell me say over 4 weeks now, all on the ears if it stay warm. All the people them say stay on the yard. All on the ear the people them say wash on the hand. All I want to hear. Uno not hear? No, Beku talk. Because you see if the coronavirus has spread the real way at Jamaica, Jesus God help we. A problem. I see some people at Portmore, the people them say send catching up and lockdown. I see some people run going to the supermarket. And me I tell you, mighty God, if one somebody in the supermarket, me I tell you, the whole of Portmore must have it. Because if 500 people are bungle up so and a fight for bread and ray, you can imagine when the one person they go home to them household. Most of the people them will live. Mother live there, probably sister, probably your kids. No man, no not take that something serious. And it hurt me heart and it come like a me when for me alone it really hurt. It hurt me, you know why it hurt me? Because I know what will happen if it spread at Jamaica. The people them not even have enough ventilator for going down there. It hurt my heart, you know. Let me explain something to you now. Because me hear say them lockdown St. Catherine. Me just said on my phone a while ago. I have to come back come say it again. Because you know ears all. You know listen, you know. You know listen. The virus there at Jamaica. You hear that, right? It dead. Alright, fine. Somebody at Portmore have it. The government get up and say, here we lock down the whole of Portmore. So Ochi, Montego Bay, St. Thomas, the whole of una wait until somebody reach the have it before una go buy food and little water for putting on the house for keeping it for 1 week.
Now people me can tell that Spice is really concerned, you know what I mean? Because Spice is from the St. Catherine area and right now St. Catherine coming like them a leading the thing, you know what I mean? 20 discoveries one time. So of course me see why she concerned. You know, Spice she did say upon one of the videos that she had try use her platform because you know she have like 2 million followers. We know all of them are Jamaicans still, but a great majority of the followers must be Jamaican. I can say that with like, you know what I mean? I think say a great amount of them would have been Jamaican. Being that Spice is Jamaican and we know we support each other. But, you know what I mean? She attack some other things, people, because she attack about Andrew Wellness. Now, you don't know where the Spice is in Atlanta. I said that in the first part of the video, right? But where the Spice basically send a message to Andrew Wellness and say, I do a good job and keep the border closed, even though she overseas and want to come home, you know what I mean? And it's like people are saying, yo, well, Spice have her money, so Spice can say whatever she want to say. You know what I mean? But Spice did say Andrew Wellness do a good job again, and she did say in the live and the other video say no matter which party you support, coronavirus now pick no colors, and that's so true. People like no matter who you be, we see some of my people they must say they catch coronavirus. And the talk now, people, the thing this up from me, this is not from Spice, but you know what I mean, for people that want to take it serious and I say they don't know nobody with coronavirus, me now know a few people that had coronavirus. You see what I say? So, yeah, luckily, me don't know nobody was dead from it still. Me know people will recover from it. But the talk there is long gone where people are say, yo, me don't know nobody with coronavirus. You don't know nobody with coronavirus. But what me not want to say is that me know more people who have coronavirus, so me would have wish like people take it and really take the thing serious for real people. Because the main goal is just to stay at home, stay vigilant, and just know say boom, you can't do certain things like what you used to do because you don't know who have it people. And we like what? Almost 2 months into this thing, seriously. You see what I say? It's been around enough people because from December I did and people didn't know say it go come on the side of the world, but I same thing, the same negligence there make we are go through this. You see what I say? We could do some kind of, you know what I mean, forecast and know say boom, all right, we see what you do to China. Now China over there live them life, them go through it and them good. And then that side of the world have problem. You see what I say? But let's hear some more of what Spice has to say.
Me see some people say Andrew this and Andrew that. You know, say everything when you blame the government for, the man a one man and the man a try. They don't care what the man do. If uno yourself na ear, uno ears all. You see, if uno yourself at Jamaica now open up on the ears all and listen, Andrew could have ball blood down there. Because uno na listen. Uno na ear. You see that chair, yeah? Let me show you the chair. I want you to see the chair. Let me get up and show you the chair. Good. Me turn on the camera and show you that chair, yeah? You see the chair? Look on the chair, good. Alright, yeah, so I sit down for 4 weeks now. 4 weeks. And me not moving. Me sit down in that corner, yeah. Me no business if me fat, my belly have to go bigger. Me no business right through. Me sit down in that corner, yeah. And me just watch TV right through. And me go up on Instagram and me live and me go on with myself and re. Me alright, me stay home. Why you can't stay home? Come on, man. Why you can't stay home? They could talk to the people them now. Because no found no love talk about money this and money that. If it's money are the problem, I don't have money for buy food. As you know, cost and I make nice and I say, so we not gonna get money on the now work and read. I want to reach a supermarket. I want to go to the supermarket go do. You talk to me, I gotta start read the comments them because I want to hear from you two, because I want to know if me alone feel the way how I feel. Me don't like see me start fret for the Jamaican people them more than how them are fret for themselves. I go up on Instagram and scroll and I see one big crowd and I hold my head come like I want ball. I said, Jesus, quality, watch over yourself, Father God. 500 people this could have the virus. And the 500 of them are go home to them yard. 500 different yard. Then look over yourself, Father God. It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. You see, all of uno, I gotta say something, because I don't know how my battery can dead. So, you see, somehow, me hear uno say, uno not no work, uno not have no food, uno not have no this, uno not have no, uno soon not have no life if uno not listen, stay on no yard.
No, people, this thing is real. This thing is real, people. Because while I make this video, I just see something come in and say, now Jamaica have 143 cases. Right? And remember when time Jamaica they have 4 cases, you see what I say, and 33 cases, and it just coming like it a double up. So next time, people, if this thing keep on going, it just a go multiply by them number. Yeah. You see what I say? So it's like if it did a go by 1 by 1, now it a go by 10 by 10. We don't want to reach by 20 by 20, 100 by 100 people. Please, you see what I say? May I plead to no, I don't take things serious. For you people who not take it serious. And big up to you people who take it serious, because I know a lot of people did take this serious for a long time. You see me? But people, the government can only do so much. You see me, I say, I wouldn't have to do the rest, people. You see me, I say, Spice can do for her part. All she can do attack. You see me? Spice can't really do nothing for no medically. Because Spice is not a doctor or nothing. She can't do none of that. You see me, I say? She can only protect for herself and her kids, and she can use her platform for talk. Likewise, that's all me can do. Me can just chat pan ya so, and you know what I mean, hopefully a bunch of people hear this and enough fall pan deaf ears. But on a serious note, people, please take heed. Please stay safe out there. You know what I mean? This thing is serious. This thing ain't no joke thing, people. You see me? So, thank you for listening. And if you want to watch the full live, I'm going to put the link on it. I'm going to also post some other video. I can't really post a lot of corona stuff because Instagram and Facebook and the other platform, they remove video. You know what I mean? And then it's so hard to get the accurate information sometimes. So if you not come like directly from the government, me not trouble it. And then you have some people when they not comment nothing else on the page, but just sit down and wait. Oh, fake news, whether or not it's fake news. You see what I mean? I say people me post legit thing and people about say fake news. And it turned out it wasn't fake news. You see me? So me just leave it alone.